Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Geniuses. In the last video, we saw the basic functioning of how to do multiply and divide when the base is same and we have index function in that. So let's revise that and let's delve more into another couple of concepts in this video. Okay, so we saw that if the base is same, for example 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 7, you can add the powers, right? If it is multiply, you add the powers. So 5 to the power 2 plus 7, which should be 5 to the power 9. And then we also learned that if it is divide, you minus it. So if it was 5 to the power 7 minus 5 to divided by 5 to the power 2, you technically can minus it. It should be 5 to the power 7 minus 2, which will be equal to 5 to the power 5. Yeah, I think we did it together. It's pretty simple. If you want, I can explain it further. So in next 1 minute, let's quickly explain on these two concepts, right? So let's, for example, it was 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 7. So if I write all the 5s, 5 to the 1, 2, so this is 5 to the power 2, now 7, right? So if I write 5 7 times, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and now if you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you have 5 to the power 9. Cool, right? It's the same thing. So you can add the power and you will get the answer. Or for example, when we did the divide, for example, it was 5 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 2. So what we did, with the index function, we did 7 minus 2, so it was 5 to the power 5. Now if you have to really divide it with, if you remember from the simplifying video, let's say 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. This is 7 5s divided by 5 times 5. Now you remember, we can just cancel this. How many 5s are left? 1 2 3 4 5. So the final answer is 5 to the power 5, right? It's exactly how you can, if you want to do it the detailed lengthy way, you can use this function. If not, you can use this function. Yeah, it's up to you. Both will always give you perfect answer all the time. The only condition is that the base should be same, right? Okay, so let's move on to one more concept where any number has a minus power. So for example, what does 5 to the power minus 1 mean? Just remember guys, this minus to the power comes when there is a flip between numerator and denominator, right? Whenever we have, so if it is written like this, if the 5 is numerator and it is written as minus 5, it means it's technically 1 to the power 1 over 5. Okay, or if the number is written as, for example, let's say 1 over 5 to the power minus 2, it means technically the number is 5 to the power 2. So all you have to do is, if you see minus with the power, it means, and if it is in numerator, you make it a denominator. If it is a denominator, you make it a numerator, and you keep the power same. So let me define that to you in an example. X to the power minus y equals 1 over x to the power y, or 1 over x to the power minus y equals x to the power y. So when you have minus in the minus power as denominator, it becomes the numerator, and when you have minus power in the numerator, it becomes the denominator. Easy, right? Let's look at one more concept quickly, and it's not even a concept, it's just a rule. It's just a rule, and this rule is called to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 is always equals 1. Okay, it will be of very use when we delve into more detailed calculations, but just remember, 2 to the power 0, 1, a to the power 0, 1, 1000 to the power, 1000 to the power 0, 1, 1 million to the power 0, 1. So any number that has a power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, So with that, we can end this video. It was easy, right? Let me know what you think. Bye.
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.